And so when Jesus came, he united himself to us and the whole of humanity, and he died to set us free from that moving away, that self-centeredness, that ego way, which we think only of ourselves. But in Jesus, we think differently. Because he's the head, we are the members of his body. And so all of us here together form that body of Jesus. And therefore, how do we relate to each other? Not from ourselves, but through our union with Jesus, who, under the guidance of the Spirit, tells us what we have to say and what we have to do. So that in this relationship with the Spirit and Jesus, we can always bring glory to the Father, as the plan was in the initial stages. It is now accomplished in Jesus, and it is being fulfilled in us. And so, we all make the mystical body of Christ, not only of those who are living, but also those who have died.